Question. Balls are being rolled out with equal initial speeds along a frictionless undulating track in quick succession. There is denser clustering of balls around point B than around point A. Which of the following statements is true? Options: A. Point A is higher than B. B. Point B is higher than A. C. Points A and B are at the same height. D. Balls reached point A first and then point B. Solution. It is given that the balls roll out with equal initial speeds. Also, the friction of the surface is ignorable. Therefore, we focus on the surface alone. If we notice the motion on a wave-like surface, we can say that the ball slows down as it approaches the peak and speeds up between the peak and the valley. Hence, the balls will tend to form a denser cluster around the peak than at the valley. The question tells us that there is denser clustering of balls around point B than around point A. Therefore, B must be higher than point A. The right answer to the question is option B.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.